This quick video is about how to create a new WhatsApp group on iPhone and iPad. Okay, let's see that. First open WhatsApp. Then you can see this option new group. You can create here or just tap here. Here also you can see the same option new group. Touch that. Now add the members to your new group. Minimum you should have choose at least one and up to 515 members you can add. After you choose the contacts, just click next. Now enter your group name. Then click here to add your group profile picture. Choose photo. Move and position the image like this. Then click choose. Now finally just tap create. That's it. Now you successfully created your WhatsApp group using iPhone. Now click here and scroll down. And here you can add new participants and also you can invite members using link. Then you can also exit from this group if you wish. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.